Arcade worked in partnership with the North York Moors National Park Trust and the Scarborough Pupil Referral Unit to deliver a creative youth music project. The young people were mentored by musicians, sound artists and filmmakers to write, record, film and edit their own pieces of work. All of the pieces responded to the plight of endangered regional bird species such as the turtle dove, the yellowhammer, redstart and the song thrush. These persecuted birds thrive on the edge of their different habitats.
Don't stop! Let's record our journey.
From the sort of charity perspective, we want to connect people and nature. It's that holistic element of being outdoors, building confidence, health and well-being. So to see the work, what they've been doing, to see sort of all the benefits of being in nature and then the outcome of it far exceeded expectations. So I'm thrilled.
The young people and the artists spent time in the North York Moors National Parks, connecting with nature and finding time for inspiration and play. They used their creativity to explore the parallels between the birds and their own experiences of endangerment, flight, and self-worth.
What if it eats me alive? Oh, correct.
Got to be real steady on the camera.
See moving out now.
Got it.
The sessions were tailored to the needs and the artistic interests of the young people. Working with the artist's support and guidance, the group wrote their own lyrics, performed their own material and designed and shot their own films. At the end of the project, the work was shared with an invited audience at the Stephen Joseph Theatre. The young people came together with family, friends, carers and social workers to celebrate their creative achievements.